What if I told you woodpeckers can peck 20 times per second? In the next few seconds, you'll learn 10 fascinating facts about woodpeckers. First, woodpeckers have a chisel-like beak. Their tongues wrap around their skull for cushioning. They peck to find insects and communicate. Woodpeckers have zygodactyl feet, perfect for climbing. Their brain is protected by a spongy skull. Some species can drum up to 12,000 times per day. They carve out nests in dead trees. Woodpeckers don't get headaches from pecking. Different species have unique drumming sounds. Their feathers are specially adapted to keep them dust-free. Ever notice the vibrant colors of woodpeckers? These help them blend into their environment. Like what you see. Subscribe for more fascinating facts.